Hello everyone, welcome to Board Maths class. Today we are going to study geometric construction, that is of class 9th, and the question is construction of triangle PQR where base QR is equal to 4.1 centimeters, angle Q is 60 degree and PQ plus QR is 8.5 centimeters. Children, it's very important for us how to start the question. So first of all, we are going to start with given. So we know that given in triangle PQR, angle Q is 60 degree, QR is 4.1 centimeters, PQ plus QR is 8.5 centimeters. After doing this, we are going to make a rough figure so that we can understand, or the teacher can understand what you're trying to do. Fine. So first I'm going to draw a base where QR is 4.1 centimeters. This is a rough figure, so I can take any measures. Then I'm going to make two lines like this. Over here, I can write this as S, and this is angle Q, that is 60 degree, and I'm going to make a line over here which makes intersecting this as P, and the values from here to here will be 8.5 centimeters. I hope it's clear to everyone. We'll end up here with arrows so that it indicates the distances from here to here. I hope it's clear till here. You're going to write over here a rough figure. Now, to construct the figure, first thing what we are going to do is understand what is to be done first. So definitely we need to construct our base first. So start with the base. So children, we need to make our base, that is 4.1. So I'm going to make a segment QR that is 4.1 and name it as QR 4.1. Now I have to construct 60 degree. So I'll take, children, here we need to be very careful because children often get confused where to start. Either 0 is here, 0 is here, but we need to see our line, and this center has to be matching the vertex which we need. So here I match the vertex, that is Q, which is 60 degree. Start with this line, that is 0, and it is 60 degree till here. So I mark 60 degree and join this line. I am going to make this arrow so that it indicates that it goes on and on. I hope it's clear. Now, what is PQ plus QR? That is 8.5. So I'm going to take an arc of 8.5 centimeters and draw the arc. So as you can see, I'm taking the radius 8.5, putting it in the vertex Q and cutting an arc. Right? This is 8.5, which we have indicated already in rough figure. Now here I'm going to mark this as S. Then I'm going to join R with S. I hope it's clear. Fine. Now what are we going to do? We're going to construct perpendicular bisector of RS. What are we going to do? Construct perpendicular bisector of RS. For this, we need to follow very simple steps. See, I will write perpendicular bisector of RS. Why I'm putting stress? Because I'm going to put one time the rounded here, one time the rounded here, that is R and S, with more than half the radius. So as you can see, I have taken more than half the radius. I've drawn one arc on the right, one on the left. I'm going to put it over here on the S. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to draw one arc here and draw one arc here. Fine. I'm going to break this so that my line comes straight. Okay, over here. I'm going to join them both. Okay, now this is my perpendicular bisector. This is equal to this. And if we know the property we have studied, that in isosceles triangle, the line from the vertex divides the line into two equal parts. So this I'm going to join. Now this side will become equals to this side. Now I'm going to name this as P. Now as you can see, PQR is our required triangle with this angle as 60 degree. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. One thing you need to complete is show that this is 8.5 here to here. This is 8.5 centimeters. Okay, now to analyze whether we have done the things correctly or not. Now this is our required figure. Very important to write over here, required figure. Okay, now we're going to prove whether our construction is correct or not. So I'm going to take in triangle PSR. We know that we need to give a name over here. I'm going to give it T. So we know that PT is perpendicular bisector of side SR. Therefore, I can say PS is equal to PR. By which property? By isosceles triangle property, or I can say converse of isosceles triangle property. Triangle. Fine. Okay. So we know that PS is equal to PR. Let me name it as first equation. Now I know that QP plus PS is equal to QS. Okay. Now we also know that QP plus PR equals to QS. Why? Because PS is equal to PR. Therefore, I can say QP plus PR is equal to how much? 8.5. Why? Because QS is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So here we can prove that we have already proved that QS plus QP plus PR is equal to 8.5. So this is our required construction. Thank you. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe and follow me.